Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Homebrew with the Iron Pigs Motorcycle Club here in Orlando, Florida. Today we are at Orlando Harley-Davidson putting on a fantastic event in support of the children and families of Nemours Children's Hospital. Today we have two bands here, a local band, Stick Shifts, a nationally known tribute band, Thunderjack, it's an AC/DC tribute band. And we have games, we have prizes, we have food by Rock and Brews, and we are all here today to raise money and support the children and families of Nemours Children's Hospital. This is our 9th year doing this event, and we are so excited to have everyone here participating and helping us with this wonderful cause. So if you're not here today, we look forward to seeing you next year for this awesome event. Well, thank you for everybody for being here. This is the ninth annual Pigs Against Pediatric Cancer. 9 years worth of doing this for Nemours Children's Hospital. And we can't do it without everybody being here. So thank you very much to everybody sitting out in the crowd, in there shopping, visiting the vendors. It is amazing to see everybody here. A lot of returning faces. A lot of you have been here year after year after year, and we can't thank you enough for that. I'm Homebrew. I'm with the Iron Pigs Motorcycle Club here in the St. Johns River chapter in beautiful Orlando, Florida. And so for those of you who might be your first time coming to this event, let me tell you about what this is. This is all in an effort to raise money for the Nemours Children's Hospital here in Orlando, Florida.
We got the good news 2 weeks ago that he had finished his treatment. So we, yep.
In case for those of you who don't know, this is, when I refer to the St. Johns River chapter, this is the brothers of the St. Johns River chapter of the Iron Pigs Motorcycle Club. These are my brothers, and this is the group that coordinates and does all of this effort to put this on. 9 years now in a row we have done this, and I don't want to stop.
Good evening, guys. We really appreciate all of the support you've given us over the years. It's just just the amount of people that come in every year, it amazes me. In 2013, my sister was diagnosed with brain cancer. She passed away shortly after, but she wanted us to continue to do something well to pay it forward. So we connected with Nemours Children's Hospital, and from then on out, we've been working to give money back to kids with cancer.
$2,600 is where we currently are now. $2,600. $1,250 is sold